In today's episode, we are going to be building a dream build mountain bike. Check this out. One of my good mates, Trav, owns a body shop called Travis Autos, and we painted an insane gold leaf paint job on a bronze copper body. How insane does this dream build actually look? We got Kashima, we got orange stickers, orange Hope brakes. This right here is probably going to be the craziest bike I've ever built. Before we get into today's episode, I wanted to remind every single person we have got a crazy deal on my brand OWNA right now, which is a free t-shirt with every single hoodie. Add your favourite hoodie, add your favourite t-shirt, and it'll auto discount in the basket. Google us, we're right at the top, or hit the link in the description. Appreciate the support on the brand. Let's build a dream build. So, we have got, I undone this one to do a colour test next to the frame, but we've got brand new DTH 26. Check this out. This right here is the colour combination that I'm going, oh my god. One more time. That's fucking insane. I don't know how to deal with that. My god. Right, we're going to start with the front wheel. Okay. So, it's going to be a out with the old, in with the new type day. When it comes to these tyres, they're a fucking headache to get off. Like, an actual fucking headache to get off the bike. These have got to be the tightest tyres I have ever tried to get off a fucking bike. They were a fucking nightmare to get on and off. Hell yeah! Gonna look gangster. How sick is that? Jeez! Look at that bad boy. All done. Looks absolutely sick with the orange bolts as well. Orange bolts, skim wall tyres. That right there is one skim wall done. This is gonna look insane. Front wheel is out with the 36s. They always look fucking nuts without a wheel on. How sick do they look? If you watched on the channel earlier in the year, I did a full restoration on this full DJ. Basically, I changed all these stickers for new stickers. Comes with even the back ones. Pretty savage. They're mint. I love these forks. They're fucking sick. Look at the dirt. Ridden, not polished. Okay, so this is the fun part when we're about to build. We are about to build the beast. So, first thing I've got to do, grease the headset. I'm going to put my finger around a glove. Use this shit. We got one headset bearing for the bottom. We got one headset bearing for the top. Moment going down right now, we are about to install the forks onto the build. Some of the headset hardware. Jeez. I don't think I could let go of this, I think it would fall out. I don't know whether that's going to hold. It's kind of sketchy. OMG. The forks are in and they go absolutely fucking insane with this colour theme. The blue works, the orange works, the Kashima works, the gold works, the bronze works. Right, Next thing we're going to do, we're going to put the stem on and a top cap to hold this together, because that right now is balancing on the internals of that to hold the forks on. Hold that. Let's get this stem on before these... Fuck. Everything's falling apart. Now, I got an orange top cap bolt, which is pretty cool, and I hope top cap. Oh yeah, this looks fucking crazy already. What a build this is going to be. Oh, we're going to secure this headset on with all the running gear. Then we can stop worrying about the Kashimas falling out. Because that is not what you want in your life, let me tell you. Jeez, right, so I've got to clean everything up still, because obviously these old parts haven't been cleaned. But you get the gist, it's looking good. Oh my god. Look at the fucking build, it's crazy. Oh my days. The gold leaf lacquered in there, the Kashimas. The orange. Look at this motherfucking build. It looks absolutely insane. Damn. Fucking beast. I'm so stoked on the DJ at this point. Look at it. Now, you know what I think we should do next? Put a skin wall wheel in, just to add to the vibe for the rest of the build. Let's get the skin wall in so that we can see how this thing's actually going to look built. Right, let me get my front wheel and my axle. This is going to be the transformation. Check that shit out. Oh my god, that's fucking crazy. Get that in there. Look at that. That's insane. My god. Woo! That is fire. Fire build. Look at that. Let me show you properly. Oh my fucking god. Such a different looking bike already than my last DJ. The last DJ was way simpler. This thing is already looking like a beast. Look at it. My god. Next thing we're going to do, we're going to install the rear wheel, because I want to see what the dual skin wall looks like on the build. Full shug. Full sugar coat, banger. Sliding the wheel into the new build. Oh my fucking god. What a fucking rig. Look at this bike. It looks fucking mad. Let's tighten the wheel up just a touch so it doesn't fall out. Oh my god. We got a rear wheel. We got a front skin wall. It is looking fucking insane. Look at the build. Jesus. Looks fucking insane. That right there is got to be one of the craziest bikes I've ever built. Check it out. Oh my god. That gold leaf is just popping. It's got that gold leaf, Kashima, skim wall tyres. Wait till we put more orange on it. I've got an orange brake, an orange seat clamp, an orange lever, and an orange sprocket bolt, and a few other bits. It's gonna pop. It all ties together nicely. I do feel I could use a different colour than orange as well in the future, and I think it would look sick. Looks a beast. It's a nice bike. Hope Pro 4 hubs, skim wall Maxxis tyres, NS Decade frame from about 50 years ago. Fox 36s. It's an absolute rig, this bike. Fucking sick bike. We're about to get technical. Now we're about to start adding some blingage. Orange Hope clamp, which I might have to open up a little bit. Just because it's pretty fucking... Yes! Look at that. I have got a black clamp, but I want to see if all the orange stuff works on the bike. This is my slammed race style seat. Absolute ball destroyer. If your balls go in there, you're not having a good day. Wow, this thing looks crazy. I'm going to tighten this up. You know what? The orange pops. I like it. I actually like the orange. I think it's cool. Now we're going to put the brake on. We're going to start with the lever up the top. Proper sick, this orange colour lever. I like it a lot. You know when you're just having a session and you can just feel your lever and see it and it's all orange and shit. Just feels like, you know, if your bike feels good, you ride good, it's weird. But if your bike feels crusty, you ride crusty. I'm gonna have to spray paint some pedals though. I've got fucking blue pedals for this bike, which are just not gonna work. Right. Look at the Hope brake, so sick. Right, let's put that bolt there. Wow. This is a gnarly ass build. All I'm doing right now is putting cable ties in the frame. Then I'm going to get it off the stand. Then I'm going to get it off the stand and snip them. One. I've honestly not used the smallest cable ties. Probably need others. But right now it's all I've got, so it'll fucking do. Insane. Feels fucking crazy. Right. I'm going to put the bike against there again and we can look at it with all the orange bits on. My God, look at this thing. Jeez. Orange lever, orange stickers, orange seat clamp, orange X2 Hope brake. Look at it, it's coming together. Orange top bolt. What feels crazy is when you stand over the bike, looking from here, it's just like, whoa, what a crazy top tube. And you slightly turn your bars and you just see them skim walls. Just looks mad compared to what I've been riding. I recently had some issues with my cranks, so my cranks are like pretty fucked. I'm using like wide cranks. I did have the right size SRAM cranks, but I sheared like where the pedal goes into the crank arm. I actually stripped it. So basically, I'm running these as temporary cranks with like loads of spacers on and shit. But I'm actually going to take these pedals off and spray them matte black to go with this build. However, I'm not going to do that in today's video, so I'm going to finish today's video because it's raining outside. No pedals. I'm not putting blue pedals on it because they'll look fucking shit. But I'm not going to spray these for the end of the episode. So I'm going to take these pedals off and then I'm going to install these cranks. Currently cleaning my BB down. Look how sick that has actually come out. This will show you, watch. So I'll flip this round. Check this out, clean corner. And I'll show you how much shit comes off this now. All just loose metal filings, dirt and grime that's got caught up in that BB. Check that shit out. That is crazy. Actually fucking crazy how clean that now looks as a BB. The bearings on this side, so I've managed to get them in, but I had to use a microfiber and mole grips. I just think the actual bottom bracket's a bit short. So there we go, the beast. It works. I'm not exactly riding to an insane standard these days. I don't ride that much. Next on the list, I'm going to clean the chain down. This chain is supposed to be gold and it's actually like a brown colour. The chain is actually going to bring the bike to life. I'm excited for this part. So I'm going to do a close-up of cleaning the chain. There we have a tired looking gold chain, which is in desperate need of a couple of repairs. So we're going to lay this bad boy out flat. And we're going to let WD do the talking. It's crazy how much that WD-40 has just been drunk by this. It's that fucking dirty. It's just swallowed all that WD-40. Oh damn, that's cleaning it well. The angled brush technique. Anyway, pretty gold again. I'll take that, to be honest. I'm happy. So, we're going to install the chain. I'll be right back once this is on. It's bullshit. Doing a chain, installing a chain is bullshit, especially when you're dealing with broken linkages. So I'm going to fix this bad boy, put it on the bike, and I'll be right back. Stay tuned. That right there is the end of the build. Let's do some sick shots of this bike. Enjoy. As you can see, this thing is an absolute dream build. I've always wanted to use gold leaf on a frame, and that just looks fucking epic. Loads of browns, loads of bronzes, loads of copper, loads of gold. Orange is quite close to all of them colours. It's fucking sick. I'm stoked on it. All it needs is black pedals, but I'm going to spray paint them blue plastic pedals. So for now, you've got to enjoy it without pedals. How serious does this build look? It's fucking crazy. For a DJ, that is off the chain. It needs some Bang & OWNA stickers on it, but you know what? It's just like a totally different bike. I wanted to look at my dirt jumper, and I wanted to look at it in a new era. Everybody watching the channel right now, we are doing a free t-shirt with every single hoodie. This is one of our heavyweight winter hoodies that we've just dropped, and this is included with all hoodies, where you get a free t-shirt with every single hoodie. All you got to do is add your favorite hoodie, add your favorite t-shirt, and it'll activate the free t-shirt deal. You can use this deal as much as you want. Go and get involved at the website or Google us, we're right at the top. Appreciate the support on the brand, it's absolutely sick. Appreciate yous. Until next time, that's going to be the end of a Dream Build episode. Peace the fuck out. See you in a bit.